everyone. Today, if you remember, we made this octagon with this code. So now we are going to make an octagonal design. So this is how we can make an octagon. This code is for an octagon. But if we make it to turn 45 degrees in the clockwise direction, like remember we made a circular design. It's the same way how to make an octagonal design, just with octagons and 45 degrees turn, and we want to repeat it 8 times because 360 divided by 8 is 45, and this is a very simple code for an octagonal design when you know how to make an octagon. Let's begin. So space pressed, center, 90 degree, pen down, clear, and it has started making our octagonal design. So first it is going to make an octagon. Then it is going to make another octagon at the turn of 45 degrees. This design is going to look beautiful. Enchanting, I must say. Because this is looking more like an abstract design, geometrical design. So what exactly is it doing? It is making an octagon, and it's turning 45 degrees, then it's waiting 1 second, then again it's making an octagon. And this is going to repeat this algorithm 8 times because 360 divided by a 45 degree is going to be 8. So you really need to be keen in maths to make such shapes because the calculations are very important. It is making the last octagon, and then it is going to be done. Look at that. Now it is like an octagon in an octagon. There's a huge octagon, as you can see, and there are 4 squares and a lot of parallelograms and rhombuses, and it's just beautiful. This is how you can make an octagonal design, and this is the end of my Scratch week. This week was full of Scratch tutorials, and bye bye, have a great time. Next video is coming Thursday noon. Bye.